In this video, I will show you how to create Figma account. First is to open your web browser and search for Figma. Then open the Figma website link. Click on Login right here. Now, a pop-up box will appear. You can directly log in if you already have an account. If none, click on Create One right here. This is the sign up page. Input your email and your password. When you're done with your details, click on Create Account. A verification puzzle will pop up after you've done the puzzle verification. A link will be sent into your email. Check your email account. When you receive the verification, click on Verify Email. As you've completed the verification process, Figma will have series of questions for you. Just fill it in. After that, Figma will make you choose your plan. In here, for now, we'll choose this free plan. And click in this I'll get started on my own. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!